To add signature to a PDF file in Canva, let's go over to create here, and I will come over to custom size. I will change my unit of measurement to inch, and I will type in here 8.5, and I'll come to the height and make 11, and I'll click on create new design. A blank new document is opened in the editor, and from here I'm going to just click into it and go to text, and I will just want to write a bit of text to it. I'll add a text box, and I'll use the magic writes to write me something. So continue writing, and I will insert this right up. I just wanted to use this to have a demo text to work with. Let me click out and click back in. I want to find that line, and I will pull it out like so. Once I'm done working on my PDF and I have everything I need in my PDF, to add the signature to the PDF, I will come over to upload here. I already have one I created, but I'm going to go and upload the signature I worked on here in Canva. Pick this signature. If you want to see a video I made on how I transformed this into this, I will link it in the description. And I will tap on this signature, pull it down, and you see my signature has beautifully added to my PDF. And you want to click on share here, click on download. You see it's naturally selected as PNG. You want to switch that to PDF standard or PDF print, depending on what you're doing. I will go with the PDF standard, and you want to hit on download.